9. I'm done. One more game. Oh, new items in the shop.
Is there anything for 200?
Gun show.
Let's go!
Buy that.
That's all the money I have.
The gun drops. Glider stick. Night girl. Shadow ops.
She's fucking pussy.
Yeah. The Chev uses.
Oh, that's a scar! Let me pick it up! Let me fucking pick it up! Go on that fucking jet! Oh my god. Wanna let me open the chest? I swear, I'm gonna get popped in the back of the head. Fuck you.
Hope you do.
I don't even know why they have fucking smoke grenades in this game.
Cause they're good.
I swear, if I fucking die, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna die to a fucking revolver. And I have a fucking scar. Huh? Holy shit. Ah! I almost died. If I would have died to a fucking revolver with a scar, I might have killed myself. Okay, now I need some fucking bandages. Thanks, Kate.
I got loyalty inside my DNA. Eddie!
Oh, now it gives me a med kit after I just used 4 fucking bandages. 3 bandages. Fuck my. This game's making me trigger, Dylan.
Yeah?
Very triggered. You don't know how triggered it's making me.
Sugar that just messed up that landing.
Oh, at least I don't have to run a fucking mile from snobby fucking shores. Oh my god. I'm going solo now.
Let's go. Thank you very much.
Mr.
That's
O'Clock.
an easy pistol kill. Did me well, pistol. Now I'll get rid of you.
I don't need a
Horse circles
fucking
on
blue
me.
AR.
Yeah, I'm just on the map.
Oh, now it
again.
gives me a slurp juice after I just used my fucking med kit. Ah! Dylan, this game wants me to kill myself.
Yeah,
I
it
just
does.
used the med kit about a minute ago, and then it gives me a fucking slurp juice.
Better be a chip. I'm up here for nothing.
Oh my god. And then I got mini shields and I forgot to use them. And I just put a slurp on. Come on, just give me a sniper. That's all I'm asking for. Oh, the bolt's stuck. Ah! I'm going solo now.
Why is this chest not making any noise?
It's glitched. It's... The chest is hacking the game.
Weird.
Expose the chest to the hacker.
I already reported him. Screw you, purple tactical submachine gun. I don't need you in my life. Screw you,
Why would you
I don't
even
need
pick
you in my
that
life
crap
either.
up?
I didn't even touch it.
Good.
Got from a chest.
It doesn't deserve to be fucking touched. That's how bad the gun is.
Yeah, it does this slurp juice.
Okay, you just drink that for fun, so no one else gets it.
I know. Good. What should I do here? Oh, I hate this situation. I need the med kit, but I have too many shields. You know what? Screw the big shield. I'll take that mini.
Good for you, Dylan.
Yeah.
Making big decisions.
Depends though. If I find a shield from this house, I'm gonna have to go back and get that. Oh, there's a scar right there. I'm not gonna get it yet though because I want to search this bottom first.
Well,
I
you're
got
a
an RPG.
What if someone comes
You
in there
hate
and
me.
takes your fucking chest? I mean,
Yeah,
takes
so
your
there.
scar. Huh? Then what are you gonna do?
Nothing. Be happy. Good for them.
Oh, that's a blue tack. Fuck you, pump shotgun.
Don't worry, it's still there.
I'm about
I
that
see it.
tack life. L-Y-F-E.
And then I get a sniper. Alright, I'm getting stacked out here. Too bad I couldn't take the other shields. But that's a legendary scar.
I'm probably still gonna
I should get rid
die.
of my shotgun. It's only a green tack, and I can use the green RPG.
Get rid of the tack if you had a fucking RPG.
Well, too
Why do
late
you-
now. The storm's gonna get me. I'm gonna have to use my med kit. Then I'll have another open spot when I left two
You
shields
left
back.
an RPG behind over a shotgun.
No,
Are
I
you a
have the
dumbass or a
RPG.
dumbass?
I have the RPG.
Oh.
I left shields behind.
So what? You took
Should've
a
taken
green
the
tack
shields,
over
though.
shields?
Yeah.
Ew. Gag yourself right now.
I wasn't thinking.
Obviously you weren't thinking.
I should have taken the shields though, because I have a cozy campfire too.
I have 4 spike traps. Couldn't I give me a launch pad or something else? Oh man. Oh, don't you just love slurps? Oof.
Walk with your RPG out like you're a big boy.
The intimidation factor.
These take no skill to use, therefore I will use it.
Why can't I have the slurp? That's rigged. This game doesn't want me to win. I need to get those extra hearts.
Oh,
I'll take those
storm's
minis though.
coming. Storm. Made a poor decision.
What's a poor decision?
I want those shields now bad.
You're a dumbass.
Green tack. They're doing no good. Hopefully I can find Purple tack.
Basketball was snipped from 55 meters away. Holy shit. That's like 10,000 million trillion 800.
Oh yeah, get sniped. Get sniped. From 89 meters away. That's how far a sniper would go.
I wish I had a sniper right now.
Got a
I
blue bolt.
wish. W-I-S-H.
What? Oh. Okay.
What, are you getting the boot by your dad?
No.
So we can
Dude.
play?
Okay, 2 purple tacks.
Please tell me this. Oh shit.
I gotta go eat, but I'm in the middle of the game. Don't kill me. God damn it. I'm stacked. I'm gonna push this guy. I don't care if I die. I really care. I'm stacked.
How is he hitting me from this far away? Holy shit.
Damn, pretty big base right here. Excuse me?
I should be dead right now. I don't deserve to live.
Ow.
No one had a big shield here. Are you kidding? This game wants me to lose, Dylan. It wants me to lose. Oh
I
my
died on
god,
purpose.
I'm gonna kill myself. Let's see where the circle goes. None of them had a sniper. 3 people that died didn't have a sniper. Oh! Come on, you have to come out of your base, and I'm not. Ho ho! Ho ho! Oh, I don't know what to take, Dylan. Do I take a legendary bolt? I mean, legendary semi-automatic sniper or a blue tack? Blue tack, I mean, sniper. Hey there, Dylan. Dylan! Rip Dylan, 2018. I'ma let you down, I'ma let you down. It's 4 AM right now. Oh my god. Revamp, revamp, revolve, check this, speed on, slow down. Holy shit, this gun is so bad. Now I'm living like a rock star. I've been in the hills, superstar, yeah, like a rock star. Can this game just give me a bolt? That's all I want. All I want for Christmas is a bolt. Oh, baby, I don't want another. Are you shitting me? Holy shit. Fuck, there's a base right there. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Hurry up. fucking go. Dylan was jinxing me that whole entire time, Dylan. What the fuck?